let's go.
We're
Let's
gonna
go.
pull them out
Let's
and
take a
give
look.
them a check. Give them a check.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, here they are.
Yeah, look at that shit.
Oh,
Oh man, these look good. Oh yeah.
yeah. Here
Oh,
we go.
yeah.
We
Yeah.
got two full racks full of pork belly butt.
Somebody's going to enjoy these tonight, that's for sure.
Oh, that's
So we're here in Florida, and we are getting ready for the big soiree. And we got Harvey here. Hey, how you doing, buddy?
Hey, how you doing?
What's up?
Oh, having a good time.
What do you got there?
Oh, having a little eye opener.
Oh, where are the alligators? Point.
Oh, down in there.
Down there. Where? Down there?
Down in there.
Oh, wow! Look at that.
Yep.
This is Pit Boy country right here. The alligators go right through there.
Oh yeah, right through there. They swim back and forth up and down that little canal right there.
Oh
Yep.
wow!
You missed a 5-second roll.
Look at this overweight seagulls. This is Pit Boy land right here. This is Pit Boy land. Pit Boys for life.